This is regular craps here. Also $15. Oh shit. Where's the shoot to win?
I'm interrupting this part of the video to show you from a past video where the shoot to win was. It was a fantastic shoot to win because look at the space around it. Now they've replaced it with some boring slot machines. They're not even good ones. Look at them. They look like they're from the 1980s. This is horrible for shoot to win fans. This was a great shoot to win. It was $2. Fantastic drink service. And now we've lost another shoot to win. I feel like I just stepped on a puppy. This is disgusting. Maybe they moved it to another part. I'm gonna look over the entire casino, but I'm pretty sure they got rid of it. It's gone for good.